I'm wondering if you could speak to the whole idea of maintenance and repair and parts for a company.
Sure. So from the get-go, we have differentiated Nan Lux. One of the unique aspects and characteristics of our brand is that, number one, everything is designed when stuff happens and somebody drops something off a truck, that everything is designed to be rebuilt in the field. It's field serviceable. So literally, you can basically take anything we make apart with a Phillips screwdriver. I suggest an electric one because there's a lot of screws, okay? And the tweezers you use to take little, the computer sockets out of a board, those two things, you're there, okay? We stock parts. We're learning what people break, so we're all constantly increasing the parts inventory, but it's well supported. But the idea is these are tools for practitioners, okay? We know the motion picture business. We know how rugged it is, how tough it is, and you guys don't stop. We got to support you, okay? So both from the design of the product and to the support where we have all the stuff you need to repair it yourself, we got you. But we go one step further. You get busy on jobs, or the rental houses get busy on jobs, okay? I don't have time to fix it. Mark, you got to help me, okay? So every time I open up a production hub, I go around to the rental houses in town and I ask them, who's your very favorite independent area repair dude? When I hear that name about 2 or 3 times, that's the guy I call, okay? So we're opening up, we have a great guy in Miami, we have 3 in New York, okay? We have a great guy in San Francisco. We got 3 here in Hollywood. As I open up, we got a great guy in Denver, okay? A great guy in Salt Lake City. So as we open up more production hubs, I get that support network because you are practitioners. We want to support you making your deliverables and getting those paychecks, and not that Nan Lux is not the problem.
I'm encouraged to hear that, and I hope that spreads out throughout the market. Your competitors as well, that they get all the message, so then everybody can be well taken care of.
It really enriches and supports the growth of our industry and the success of everyone, and that's what's very important to us. You make us look like $1 million. That's it. That's what it's all about. Companies tend to forget that. They're not just customers.
Yeah.
This is a family. I mean, look at the reaction. Look at the social activity that's going on here at City Group.
Yeah, it's actually wonderful.
Yeah, we've missed it,
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
And this is what makes movies,
Yeah.
okay? This is what makes commercials, okay?
Right.
Is that passionate, we all got to get it done, whatever it takes, okay? And we're so honored to be a part of that in some little way. And hopefully whatever we do, our sponsorship of emerging filmmakers, the lending library that I have here in Hollywood for all the film students and the grads and everybody. We just did a presentation with Women in Media, and Nancy's management team is predominantly female.
And Nancy,
the owner of Nan Lux,
Uh-huh.
okay, she's
Yep.
the owner of the company.
Yep.
31 years ago, after the birth of their second child in China, she says, well, I might as well run the family business from home, okay, which was processing the payments from her husband's brilliant patents all over the world. Well, that family business last year did over $150 million worldwide.
Yeah.
Nice for a family business,
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
And they've even now, they've grown so big, they have a number of employees that approaches 1,000.
Wow.
Okay, 31 years. It didn't happen
Yeah.
overnight.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
But she's an amazing leader. And that's, again, you see that passion. This is a family business. So they're not just selling you a box.
Yeah.
It's, if you have a problem, we're here for you. Okay.
No, that's great. And we actually spoke with Andy.
Oh, good, the son,
He
yes.
actually gave the presentation.
Oh,
Yeah,
wonderful. Yeah, Andy is, both sons are filmmakers.
Yeah. Yeah.
And they make commercials. And sometimes they're DPs, sometimes they're operators. I mean, they don't care. They just love it,
Yeah,
And one time I was talking to Nancy over Zoom, and Andy comes rushing in, and he needs Mama to make him a bracket or something. Okay. And she says, okay, but just not today.
That's hilarious. Yeah.
But it's great for all of us,
Right.
because they have that input
Yep.
right there on a set.
Boom.
Mama, I need that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which you can't beat that.
No, it's super
I mean,
meaningful.
it's adorable, but hey,
Yeah.
it's cool.
And it also was the way Hollywood has been forever.
Yes.
A family business.
Exactly.
And so it's, this is not
Look at
Hollywood necessarily. This is, but the global
the
aspect of it,
global, anywhere you go
Yeah.
in the world, and you talk to motion picture people, this is the way it gets done.
Yeah.
Okay, it's that family, the sense of family, the sense of teamwork, the sense of collaboration.
You have on set too.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
you have on set. Without that, sets are disaster.
Yeah.
We all know that. Stuff happens. We've got deadlines and days to meet, pages to shoot, and it takes everybody pulling together.
Yeah. Yeah. If you're not together, it's all hell breaks loose. Yeah.
I mean, I'm going to mention a very wonderful DP, David Mullen, ASC. When you look at how collaborative the Marvelous Mrs. Maisel was as a crew, okay? Unbelievable. Every department. Wardrobe, set design, camera, okay? The gaffers, McConkey as the operator, okay? I mean, everybody just gave their best. And it actually got, it encouraged better performances out of the actors, but that's what makes successful entertainment that the public wants, okay?
Yeah.
And again, everybody forgets about that, but that's the core. It's very dear to my heart, and to all of us, not just me, but it's very
Yeah.
dear to all of us.
I love it. That's awesome.